Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is very first video of my channel, so let me introducing myself. I am actually a 7th generation blacksmith, continuing a family tradition that goes all the way back from my ancestors who worked for the Vikings. We have been forging for as long as I can remember, while I now sell my handcrafted products on my Instagram page and through my website. So I have decided to take things a step further by starting this YouTube channel. Here, I will be showing you how I work, sharing my craft, and giving you a look into the world of blacksmithing. I never set out to become a blacksmith professionally. It started as a simple hobby, something I did in my spare time. But somewhere along the way, it grew into something much bigger. Maybe it's in my blood, that's why. Passed down through the generations. So, that's a little introduction about me. I'll need all of your support as I continue to share my family skills and this ancient craft with the world. If you're into craftsmanship, history, or just love to see things forged by hand, you're in the right place. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow along this journey. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you guys.